So today I'm going to show you how to synchronize your Shopify orders to Airtable. Simple and easy. So each time an order gets done in your Shopify store, it automatically goes to your Airtable CRM. First of all, you have to create a new module, Shopify, to trigger the order, which is watch orders, create a connection, and choose Shopify. And then put your website or your subdomain in order to connect and go to your Shopify page. And as you can see, you do the make.com connection. After that, you click save, add the action module, which is Airtable, create a record. Same as Shopify, you have to create a connection with make.com. As you can see here, you go to the put your base name. After you add your connection here, choose Airtable O authentication and then create a connection. You choose your interval, whether you want it to run each 15 minutes or each 16 minutes, you have the choice, and then you keep your scenario running. So each time an order gets done in your Shopify, after 15 minutes, whether it's 1, 2, 3 orders, they get automatically synchronized in Airtable CRM. And that's it, guys. See you on the next one.